When I cut the lace, I do so in 2 steps. First, I do a rough draft that's not exact so I can do a loose fit and see how things lay. Once the pieces are where I want them to be, then I can make notes of where to trim the lace further or be more exact, and I usually do this after I've done all of my modifications. Depending on your facial features and where your hairline lands, you may have to tweak some things different from me. A good rule of thumb is to have about 1 centimeter of lace left on the wig and the beard pieces. This will allow a good fit once done. I have some pieces I've cut closer to the hairline just because I prefer that on some of my different sets for blending purposes or what I use them for, but I wouldn't advise trimming the lace that close on your first set. Please, you can't add back lace once you cut it off. It's better to be safe than sorry, so leave a good amount of lace for this first cut if you would. The eyebrows are a slightly different story than the beard, as too much lace can be a hassle.